Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shiba and you're welcome. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe to my channel. You guys are going to love this one. So this video is going to be me sharing with you guys how you can schedule your posts, batch schedule your posts. So like basically after you have created your content in bulk, right, you want to schedule those posts across the days that you plan to post them. So I'm going to show you how to do it using Facebook Creator Studio, and I'm also going to share with you some tips after on like making the whole process faster, okay, before you actually start doing the batch creating content and all of that. So let's get into my system as we start the tutorial. Okay, so this is my system here and I'm in Creator Studio of Facebook. So basically how you want to navigate to this place is just type Facebook Creator Studio, right? And then you click on it, Facebook Creator Studio, and basically you get to it. So this is where you get landed on like the Facebook one. So if you look up here, you have Facebook and Instagram. So we're going to be batch creating content for Instagram in this video, and I'm going to be using this is the desktop version. They do have a mobile app, and when the time comes I will share how to do that with the mobile app, or you can actually just check it out yourself. It shouldn't be that difficult to work with, okay? So basically you click on Instagram and then you have everything here that you need. You know, you've linked all your Instagram pages that, you know, to your Facebook page and everything. I will explain that shortly, but all your accounts are here. You know, you have create posts. You can only do Instagram feed and IGTV here though, so you have all of that set. You have a calendar where you can like view, you know, your posts, like posts that you have created basically. Yes, so all the posts that you've scheduled, all the posts that have gone live and everything, you can actually see them here. And then you have insights, basically shows you more insights to your post, right? And you have monetization. If you are eligible for brand collaborations and stuff like that, then you have a brand collaboration manager. That's if you use the paid partnership feature on Instagram, where you can like put paid partnership with and all of that. Then you have all the Instagram accounts here, so you can add an Instagram account over here. So for you to be able to actually use this, what you want to do is head over to your Facebook account and create your Facebook pages. So every Instagram account should have a Facebook page linked to it for it to function in the business suite and everything business related that Facebook has created for their clients, okay? So basically you want to have your Facebook pages so you can be able to run ads, you can be able to use business suite, you can be able to schedule posts and everything. So you have basically all the Facebook pages here. If you want to create a page, you click here, create page, and you go through the steps. Then you link your Instagram account to your Facebook page. So the first thing you do is to click create post. So you've already linked your Instagram account to your Facebook page. Then you have all your accounts here, all the accounts that you've linked and everything here. You go to Instagram account here, add the Instagram account to verify and everything. So then you go to post, right? So I clicked create post, I clicked Instagram posts, right? And then feed rather, and then it gives me this. So I can add my post caption, I can add location, I can actually add emojis here, which is quite cute. And this is where I add my content. So I always share my post to my Facebook page as well. So if you go to my Facebook page, you see the exact same post I put on my Instagram there. Okay, so let's write something YouTube tutorial, right? And then let's add location Lagos, Nigeria. This is always what I put, either Lagos State or Lagos, Nigeria. Then I'll add some content. Let me just find something random to put for you guys. Okay, so I'm going to use my YouTube thumbnail for this. Let me use this one. Okay, so this is what I want to post now. Okay, so I've posted it already. If you click this crop button, it allows you to pick whether you want it to be square, landscape, or vertical. So for this now, a square image won't do because like it's landscape. So I'm going to click landscape. So landscape basically covers all the content of the post. I can drag it down to capture more of the text. So if it's vertical, then that means it's using the 4:5 ratio. So basically you set it here and click save. Then you come tick post to Facebook. So you can also tag people. You can put the @ you can just type @ somebody here, right? Let's say @ just let me tag my business as Ganeta Industries, right? And then you can also come here, do some settings that you can do on the page, turn off commenting and all of that. Then yeah, so all of that is done. You can also tag people on the image directly. You click that and then add the person's user over there. So I'm not going to do that. So after all of this, then you come to this arrow here, click schedule. It gives you a calendar, and then you pick the day and the time. As an Instagram user, you know that there's a particular time for you to post. There's a time that you post on Instagram where your audience are mostly online, and then there's a high chance for them to see your content. So you put that time there. Mine is 9 p.m. between 7, 8, 9. So I sometimes put 8, sometimes I put 9, just so that it doesn't seem like it's a robot that's posting. So sometimes I put 9:01, 9:15, 9:13, just weird times. But like, that's what I do, right? So you can let's just use this for an example. Then you come here and also schedule for Instagram as well. Okay, so we're going to basically set the same time over here and then schedule. So you hit the schedule button, but I don't want to schedule the post now because it's not a real post, you get. So basically you do that for all the content that you have. So basically, let's say you take a day to create content, take a day to actually settle down and schedule those posts, and then you have the rest of the week or the rest of 2 weeks, depending on how much content you actually batch created. So you have the rest of 2 weeks to do other things that you want to do. I want to mention that batch creating content means that you're going to have to batch create your caption and batch create your hashtags, okay, and also batch schedule your content. So I always advise people to have like a Word document where they have sort of like a caption template, right, where you can just have like different, maybe the starting of the caption or the ending, or just maybe caption ideas or something like that, just have them arranged. Or if it is something that is more business oriented, and then you have maybe a content that actually like gives direct value, like maybe how to make sales or something like that, you have your post created, but you also have your caption in a way it has detailed content on actually how to make sales. So you have everything in Word. So all you have to do when you now want to batch schedule your post is just copy and paste, right? So the same thing for your hashtag. Every Instagram account or every business or every Instagram page or Instagram person should have a bank of hashtags. They are basically hashtag strategies that you use. So basically ranking from the low, medium to high set of hashtags using all 30 available spots for hashtags, okay? So all of that is there already in your Word document. Those are the 2 tips I have for you guys: having your captions and your hashtag in Word, so that when you want to now post on your schedule your post on Facebook Creator Studio, then you just copy and paste and schedule everything. So that's it for this video, guys. Catching my breath. Anyway, so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.